Lernen Sie Englisch in Deutsch. Lektion 1. Kurz. Greetings. Kurz. Greetings. 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 Kurz. Greetings. Hallo. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hallo. Hello. Hi. Guten Morgen. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome. 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 We get SDR. How are you? How are you? How are you? We get SDR. How are you? Ich bin gut. I am good. I am good. I am good. Ich bin gut. I am good. Und we get SDR. And how are you? And how are you? And how are you? Tschüss. Bye. 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 Tschüss. Bye. Wie ist das Wetter? How is the weather? How is the weather? How is the weather? Wie ist das Wetter? How is the weather? Wie geht's deiner Familie? How is your family? How is your family? How is your family? Wie geht's deiner Familie? How is your family? Wie geht es deinen Kindern? How are your kids? How are your kids? How are your kids? Wie geht es deinen Kindern? How are your kids? Alle sind in Ordnung. All are fine. All are fine. All are fine. Alle sind in Ordnung. All are fine. Okay, ich gehe. Okay, I am going. Okay, I am going. Okay, I am going. Okay, ich gehe. Okay, I am going. Pass off, take care, take care, take care. Pass off, take care. Greetings. Hello, hi. Good morning. Welcome. How are you? I am good. And how are you? Bye. How is the weather? How is your family? How are your kids? All are fine. Okay, I'm going. Take care. Okay, I'm going. Take care. Bye.